Hello friends, this is Nature Quotes. I will display nature quotes in English and show the beauty of nature quote. Enjoy. Nothing is farther than earth from heaven. Nothing is nearer than heaven to earth. Let the rain kiss you. Let the rain beat upon your head with silver liquid drops. Let the rain sing you a lullaby. The day, water, sun, moon, night. I don't have to purchase these things with money. I am following nature without being able to grasp her. I perhaps owe having become a painter to flowers. What we observe is not nature itself, but nature exposed to our method of questioning. For greed, all nature is too little. Chaos was the law of nature. Order was the dream of man. In nature, there are few sharp lines. I have lived pain, and my life can tell. I only deepen the wound of the world when I neglect to give thanks. The heavy perfume of wild roses in early July, and the songs of crickets on summer humid nights, and the rivers that can run, and the stars that rise, and the rain that falls, and all the good things that a God gives. And the heart that is soonest awake to the flowers is always the first to be touched by the thorns. All water has a perfect memory and is forever trying to get back to where it was. We don't see nature with our eyes, but with our understandings and our hearts. You may drive out nature with a pitchfork, yet she will be constantly running back. Custom, that is before all law. Nature, that is above all art. The flower is the poetry of reproduction. It is an example of the internal seductiveness of life. I would feel more optimistic about a bright future for man if he spent less time proving that he can outwit nature and more time tasting her sweetness and respecting her seniority. Spring is when you feel like whistling even with a shoe full of slush. Nature is the source of all true knowledge. She has her own logic, her own laws. She has no effect without cause, nor invention without necessity. A morning glory at my window satisfies me more than the metaphysics of books. If you violate nature's laws, you are your own prosecuting attorney, judge, jury, and hangman. The family is one of nature's masterpieces. To be interested in the changing seasons is a happier state of mind than to be hopelessly in love with spring. Mother Nature is the great equalizer. You can't get away from it. Everything that slows us down and forces patience, everything that sets us back into the slow circles of nature is a help. Gardening is an instrument of grace. Happiness is dependent on self-discipline. We are the biggest obstacles to our own happiness. It's much easier to do battle with society and with others than to fight our own nature. By nature, men love newfanglendness. He who does not become familiar with nature, so love will never know her. These flowers, which were splendid and sprightly, waking in the dawn of the morning, in the evening will be peaceful frivolity, sleeping in the cold night's arm. The butterfly counts not months but moments, and has time enough. Autumn arrives in early morning, but spring at the close of a winter day. Some people walk in the rain, others just get wet. There is nothing in a caterpillar that tells you it's going to be a butterfly. When I see a bird that walks like a duck and swims like a duck and quacks like a duck, I call that bird a duck. Nature is a good name for an effect whose cause is God. Miracles don't, in fact, break the laws of nature. One could not pluck a flower without troubling a star. I do not think that there is any other quality so essential to success of any kind as the quality of perseverance. It overcomes almost everything, even nature. We may brave human laws, but we cannot resist natural ones. The air soft as of Seville in April, and so fragrant that was delicious to breathe it. Nature does not hurry, yet everything is accomplished.